first of all, in this job, as in all jobs, no? Including the job that I'm aspiring to, sala sa init, sala sa lamig. You know, I mean, you're not there, ba't wala dito yan? Pag pumunta ka naman, ba't nandito yan? Right? It was really my effort to tell the mayor, hindi ko gustong mapolitika ito. In fact, you must remember that this is a political situation because of who you are and who the president is. So it wasn't in the manner of a threat or in a manner na i-withhold, but really, intindihin niyo, Mayor, gusto naming linawin ito. Hindi na hindi dinadala ang tulong, no? Direct, tuloy-tuloy ang pagdating ng tulong, but moving forward, ano ba, may kakayanin pa ba o wala, no? Because kung wala naman, din dadalhin namin at ipa-prioritize. Pero kung meron namang kakayahan dito, then we can help other communities also. It was in that context that that conversation was held. And unfortunately, napolitika ito. But for example, no, just as a matter of statistic, out of the 2 billion pesos that passed through DTI, that passed through DILG, to help local government units, cities and municipalities with reconstruction, 400 million went to Tacloban. No? One-fifth of all funds of 171 LGUs went to Tacloban. So hindi na pinagkait ito sa kanila, hindi na pinagdamot ito sa kanila. Dumating ito sa kanila, no? In cash, no? Yan ang dumaan sa DILG. That much I can speak of. I know that Dinky will have her own, Secretary Dinky will have her own statistics as to how many food packs and how many sacks of rice and so on and so forth. So, palagay ko hindi fair ng parating kritisismo ay hindi dumating ang tulong or pinulitika ito, no? But that's what we just say, no, na sala sa init, sala sa lamig. So, ganyan talaga yan.